In this video, I will show you how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in Excel. So there are different ways how to do it. First, we will do the addition. So suppose if you want to add from D7 to I7. So the easiest way is you have to select the range and then from the Home tab, go to the editing group and click the auto sum option, and Excel will give you the result, that is 343. Right? And another way is with the help of keyboard, just write down equal to sign and write down sum function SUM. When you will write SUM, you will see different sums function will come up here, but we have to do sum, so just double click here and then select the range, that is from D7 to I7, and it is highlight and parenthesis close and enter. So you will see the same result 343, and just double click here. Excel will do the rest of the calculation for you. The third way is go to the formulas tab and here in the function library, maths and trigonometry, and find out the sum function which will be in S. So this is sum, and the dialog box will open and it will say D7 to I7. I shall okay, see 343, double click. So there are couple different ways to do addition, and another function is on the formula. This is the auto sum, same, which we already discussed. Now is the subtraction. Keep in mind that always in Excel the formula start with equal to sign. So equal to, suppose we want to subtract D7, so it is highlighted minus G7 and enter. So it is 34 and double click it. There is no need to apply the formula for each and every row. Just do the calculation on the first row and double click, so Excel will do the rest of the calculation for you. Similarly, multiplication, keep in mind the formula start with equal to sign, otherwise you will not get the answer. So suppose we want to multiply this times 66 multiply by suppose F7. So we have to write down the cell reference and enter. So this is 132. Similarly, division, equal to, suppose we want to divide D7 divided by, and enter. Right? So Excel will do the rest of the calculation for you. So see, suppose if you forget in future where you have written 4256, so just click here and check the formula bar. You will see this is the multiplication result of E12 and F12. If you forget from where you have get this answer 1.5, so click here. It is you have divided D13 by F13. So we have used formulas in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, and this is our data. So what will happen in future? Suppose if you want to change the data, you said no, it should be suppose 200 instead of 100. So as soon as I will make 200, you will see your all results will change. So 200, so this is the sum, it is now 438, and your calculations are also changed. Similarly, if you say no, instead of this 5, it should be 50. So make it 50 because we have applied the formula. So all your answer will change according to the situation, right? And if you have a big number, you want to give some accounting format or different format. So this is the home. These are the number style. Open this, and from here you will give the accounting format, currency format, number format, whatever you want, right? So we have learned in this video how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide in Excel. And thanks for watching the video.